I'm just about to give you away something for completely free that took me a lot of time and work to create, and what helped me a lot to earn over $1,000 online. And I will also show you that how can you start to make money with it today within a couple of hours. Hello guys, my name is Zoltán Mende, and if you watch my previous videos, then you know that how did I earn $1,000 by selling channel branding sets for newbie inspiring YouTubers. I've been kinda kicked out from that bench, but doesn't matter. So I made $1,000 with those channel branding sets, and today I will give you my favorite and best-selling templates for completely free. You can use or even resell them. I absolutely do not mind that. But you don't even need to sell anything to make money with this. You can simply show these templates to any YouTubers, share a link with them for free, and you will get paid $20 for each who will use your templates. By the way, although you will get paid $20, the subscription you're gonna promote costs only $15. So how is that possible? Well, this platform is really that good and useful for any content creators, also very reasonably priced, that these guys know that most of their clients who find them will stay with them for long, so they don't mind paying you a decent amount of money for your help promoting their website. This is one of the best affiliate programs on the web now, a great one for beginners to make some money without having previous experience in affiliate marketing. Sounds interesting? Then come with me and let me show you step by step what you need to do. It will be easy. I wanted to make it as easy as possible, so I created a list of my favorite and best-selling templates. You can find all of them on my website, mendeswebstudio.com/DIY-megakit, link in the description. If you follow me step by step, you can start to make money in a couple of hours. The job you need to do won't take more than an hour, but at one point you will need to wait for a confirmation email, and it can take a bit of time, not long though. If you want to try this side hustle, you will need to invest $15, but that's all of your cost, and you will earn it back with the very first lead. So if you are up for it, click on that link in the description, visit my website and follow me step by step. And now let's change to the computer. First, choose a template that you want to promote, click on the link which will open the editor. Then click on the update slide to get my pre-edited version. If you want, you can keep editing this template, it's super easy, and you can also find my step-by-step tutorial on the bottom of my website or even here in my YouTube channel. You can change anything here, text, photos, videos, fonts, colors, anything. By the way, it has a good reason why I use pink a lot. Those were far the best-selling templates, and over 80% of my customers were female. But you don't have to modify it. I don't mind it at all if you just start to promote it as it is now. So if you are ready and want to download the template, first you will need to click on Play All, then wait until it plays once, then click on Download. And this is the point when you will need to subscribe. It costs $14.95 a month, or if you are confident enough to pay a year upfront, you can get half price off. By the way, this subscription includes way more than these templates. If you have a couple of minutes, I recommend you to look around a bit, you will love it. Mockups are my very favorite, but you got plenty of social media templates too, and the best logo maker software that I have ever seen. I use this website for over a year on a daily basis. Not only for making money when I work on my clients' projects, but also for my own stuff, and I really love it. I think it's worth every single penny. And here comes the most important part. You will need to get your own affiliate link to this template if you want to get paid, so now please pay full attention. Click on My Downloads, then choose the template you want to promote and make more. When the template editor opens, copy the URL of that and save it in a text file. You will need this URL to create your affiliate link. Now you will need to open your affiliate account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, click Affiliates, create an account. It's very easy, it takes around 5 minutes, then you will need to wait for the confirmation email to get access to your affiliate dashboard. It took about an hour for me when I registered, so should not be too long. Go have a coffee or a beer. When you receive the email, log into your affiliate dashboard and go to the top right corner of the page where it says to enter a landing page. Paste your link here, but very important that not that one that you found on my website. You need to use that one that you copied from your My Downloads page on Placeit. Click Create, then customize your link if you want, save and copy it. This will be your personal affiliate links for this template, so you need to make sure that you always use this link when you promote this template. Whenever someone finds this website via this link, whether if they use this particular template or anything else in place it, whether if they subscribe right then or at any time in the next 30 days, you will get paid $20. Not bad, right? Now I recommend you to repeat this process and create your own affiliate links to more of my templates so you can promote them as your own. Okay, so now you got your affiliate links, which means technically you are ready to start to make money. Only one thing is left: you need to show these links to the right people who are assumingly will be interested to use these links. But where and how can you find them? I have some good news for you, as you got multiple options. Your target audience is newbie inspiring YouTubers, and the good thing is that there are approximately 20,000 new channels get launched every single day on YouTube. So we are talking about a really huge market. You will never be short of new potential clients and you can get access to them pretty easily. Here I recommend you upload these videos to YouTube. Don't get scared, you don't need to make proper videos, show your face or nothing like that. It's only about being able to showcase these templates. So it doesn't matter if you just start a channel from scratch and don't have any subscribers. However, if you pay only a little attention to SEO, when you upload these videos, that can go a long way, because you can get the chance that someone will organically find these templates when they are looking for a solution on how to brand their channel, which means you will make money completely on autopilot. I suggest you using words in the title and description as best free to use YouTube intro and end card templates or something like that. You can find tons of videos about YouTube SEO, so I won't get into details now, but you also don't need to over worry this. You won't rely on organic traffic. If it comes, it's a little easy extra. So now you can show your templates on YouTube. Let's go and find some potential clients. You have multiple options how to do that. Let me show you a few of them. The first, and in my opinion the most effective way to find newbie YouTubers, is doing that directly on YouTube. Choose a niche, it can be really anything, and search for related videos. I will go with travel vlogs. Then set a few filters to find the newbies. Why do I prefer newbies? Being a content creator on YouTube is only a hobby for many people, but also lots of us want to turn it into a business. But whether it is a hobby or a dream of being able to make a living on YouTube one day, newbie content creators must be committed to their success, at least at the very beginning of their journey. So you want to find them at that point when they got this initial momentum and faith and enthusiasm. So spending $15 to turn their channel much more professional is really cannot be a problem. And luckily, it's really easy to find them. Channels like the Yes Theory, with their millions of subscribers, probably won't be your next clients, so you want to set a few filters. Let's see videos from this week and sort them by view count. Simply scroll down until you got to the videos which have less than 100 views. Here we are. She uploaded this video 5 days ago, has 97 views. Definitely not a complete beginner, but not a too established channel either. Open the video in another tab so I don't mess up my search results. She doesn't have an intro. Yeah, by the way, this is an interesting question too, whether if these intros are useful or not. Personally, I don't use them either, but I know that many YouTubers love these television style intros, so why don't have them? On the other hand, that cannot be a question. The designed end screens are super useful on YouTube as they lead your viewers to your next video. She also knows it, uses these end cards at the end of her video, but of course it could look more professional and stylish on a designed screen than just drop them to a black background. So here we are, she looks like an ideal channel to target, let's help her. But how can we get in touch? Most YouTubers share their email in the About section, though she doesn't do that. But she showed her Instagram in the video, so I can contact her there. Alternatively, you can also leave a comment under a video. It may sound a bit spammy, but as engagements, especially comments, help videos to rank better, most creators welcome comments, of course unless they are some blatant spam. If you write something like, "Hi, thanks for sharing it with us, I enjoy your videos a lot. If I can suggest something, if you will use designed end screens for your end card recommendation, that will make your channel look even more polished. You can find some cool templates on my channel that you can easily personalize if you are interested." or something like that. Okay, the next idea about how to find customers. YouTube, just as Google, works as a search engine. People use it for getting answers to their questions. So YouTubers will also come here and search for something like how to create end screen on YouTube video. Right, let's see this. People will ask their related questions in the comments. Sort the comments as newest first, as I want to find those who need help now. You see, even this video is over a year old. There are multiple questions have been asked in the past couple of days. You can click on the name of these guys and contact them one by one, as we did it in the previous example, or answer publicly in a comment. Let's be honest, some YouTubers won't be too happy if you use their comment section to promote yourself. But as you can see, these guys don't really bother themselves to help their viewers by answering their questions, but still, don't be spammy. I would not recommend posting links in your comments. Answer their questions first properly, give them some value, then let them know that they can find some templates on your channel that can be useful. The third option to find clients, Reddit and Quora. These are also common places where people are looking for answers for their questions. So do the same, answer, and let them know that you get editable links that you are happy to share for free. You will need to be careful with links, especially on Reddit, because you can get banned quite easily. But you can mention your YouTube channel and people will find you. So in this case, I recommend you to use the same name for your YouTube channel and for all of these forums. The next is Pinterest. I won't get into details because you can find plenty of detailed videos about it. But in a nutshell, Pinterest is another search engine that is specialized in visual elements, images, and videos. Things that you would call posts on Facebook or Instagram are very similar here, but here they called pins. Each pin contains an image or a video, and you can add the title, a description, some tags, and a link, which can be an affiliate link. And actually, that's it. That's what you need to promote these templates. You can create both image and video pins by using the free version of Canva. They offer tons of Pinterest templates. And something that works well for me to illustrate these templates in use is creating real-life mockups with them. I'll show you how to do it. Create a template, make a screenshot, use the screenshot on Placeit and make a mockup with that. Your subscription covers unlimited usage of the site, mockups included. So I come to Placeit, click on mockups and search for desktop screen or Mac screen. Choose the one you like, upload the screenshot from your computer and you are ready to go. Upload this mockup to Canva, add it to one of their Pinterest design template, and here we go, your first pin is ready. Go to Pinterest, post this pin. Use keywords like YouTube end screen, end card, video outro templates and so on in the title and the description, and you can also add similar tags. Don't forget to add your affiliate links too, so people who like your templates can get them with one single click, and if they subscribe, you will get your $20. And of course, you can also use the good old social media. Facebook, joining YouTube related groups can work well, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And I mean not only post something and hope to be found, but proactively find and contact new YouTubers. On Insta, search for hashtag YouTube channel or hashtag YouTuber or something like that. Check the recent post and you will find plenty of new YouTubers. Many of them may appreciate your help. Click on the post, then open their profile, and mostly you will find a link to their YouTube channel in the bio. Here we are. This is also a relatively small channel. They got 424 subscribers and most of their videos have less than 200 views. Similar on Twitter. Of course, it's a good idea to post a keyword heavy but still naturally written tweet about your templates. You can also include a mock-up image as we did it on Pinterest, or even play the template video. But alongside that, you can also use this platform to proactively find and contact YouTubers, as many of them use Twitter to promote their new videos. And who does it? Mainly the enthusiastic newbies you want. Bigger channels got big enough exposure by the YouTube algorithm itself, so you won't find them often hunting for views on Twitter. But those newbie, smaller channels who don't mind to take the extra mile for the success of their channel often do it. And these are the guys you want to find. So search for hashtag YouTubers or something like that, check the latest and you will find plenty of them. You see, this video is literally just been published minutes ago. I'm the first who watches it. This one too. And they are both smaller channels with less than 100 subscribers. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this idea. Don't forget you can target a huge market here because 20,000 new channels daily mean 20,000 new potential clients every single day, and you will get paid $20 for each and every user who subscribes to Placeit. If you have any question, please ask me in the comments. I will get back to you soon. And if you haven't seen them yet, check out my other related videos where I show you step by step how did I earn $1,000 net profit by creating intros and outros for YouTubers myself. If you don't mind putting a bit of extra work into this and creating personalized, ready-to-go branding sets for your clients, of course, you can earn more money per customer, and there is a big demand for that service too. So if you like this idea, then also check out those videos and keep your eyes on my channel anyway, as I will come up soon with other side hustles. Till that, all the best guys.